Think men are only interested in younger women? Think again. If you're an older woman who wants to naturally attract men, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 6 key habits that will make men approach you effortlessly, no matter your age. These are not just surface-level tips, these are powerful traits that radiate confidence and energy, making you absolutely magnetic. You'll be surprised how easy it is to draw men in once you start doing these things. First, let's address a major myth, the idea that men only want younger women. This couldn't be further from the truth. The reality is that what truly attracts men isn't about age. It's about the energy you give off, the confidence you carry, and how you present yourself to the world. Men aren't looking for a specific age, they're looking for a woman who knows who she is and embraces her uniqueness. When you're comfortable in your own skin, your energy shifts, and men feel it. Attraction becomes less about physical features and more about emotional connection, maturity, and shared values. These are the things that truly matter. You don't need to compete with younger women because what men are really looking for is a woman who knows her worth. These 6 habits are exactly how you'll show that. Let's dive in. Number 1, be a good conversationalist. Being a good conversationalist is an art that men find incredibly attractive. It's not just about talking, it's about knowing how to engage, listen, and contribute meaningfully to a discussion. When you can hold an engaging conversation, you're showing intelligence, confidence, and social grace, all qualities men find irresistibly appealing. Men love women who can dive into deeper topics, share their perspectives, and keep the conversation lively and stimulating. This skill shows that you're not just interesting, but also genuinely interested in others, which builds a deeper connection. The key to great conversations is finding mutual interests. Superficial topics like celebrity gossip or complaints about daily life don't lead to meaningful connections. Instead, focus on subjects that both of you can enjoy and expand on. These can be topics like hobbies, travel experiences, future goals, or even intellectual debates on books, films, or societal issues. Tip: ask open-ended questions that invite deeper responses and listen attentively to what he has to say. Showing that you're interested in his thoughts and sharing your own in a balanced way makes the conversation flow naturally. Avoid dominating the conversation, instead look for opportunities to explore common ground and mutual interest. This makes the interaction more enjoyable for both of you and lays the foundation for a meaningful relationship. Number 2, curiosity and interest in others. Curiosity is a trait that goes beyond asking basic questions. It's about being genuinely engaged in learning about someone else's world, emotions, and experiences. When you show a real interest in a man's life, it signals that you're not self-absorbed, but rather open and eager to connect on a deeper level. Men love women who ask thoughtful questions, not just about trivial things like his favorite sports team, but about his passions, values, dreams, and even his fears. Being genuinely curious creates a dynamic where the man feels understood and appreciated. In a world where superficial conversations dominate, asking deeper questions makes you stand out. It allows for emotional intimacy to develop, which men deeply crave even though they might not always vocalize it. Instead of just asking, "How was your day?" try asking, "What's something that excited you or made you think today?" This shows you care about his inner world and opens the door for more meaningful conversations that build a stronger connection. Number 3, stylish but age-appropriate. Style is a visual reflection of your personality, and it's a powerful, nonverbal way to communicate who you are before you even say a word. When you dress in a way that's age-appropriate but still stylish, you send a message that you're confident in who you are and don't need to follow trends just to be noticed. Men are especially drawn to women who have mastered this balance, someone who dresses elegantly but with an air of individuality that reflects her unique character. Age-appropriate style doesn't mean you have to be conservative or avoid trends entirely. It means choosing pieces that enhance your body, reflect your confidence, and show you care about how you present yourself. It's more about quality than quantity, well-fitted clothes, flattering cuts, and materials that feel good on your skin. Men notice when a woman feels good in what she's wearing, because confidence is always attractive. For example, instead of wearing flashy trends that don't resonate with your personality, opt for something classic with a personal twist. Perhaps a sleek blazer paired with a vibrant accessory or a statement piece of jewelry that showcases your individuality. This balance of timeless style and personal flair exudes confidence, and confidence is what men find magnetic. Number 4. Strong boundaries. Having strong boundaries is not only essential for self-respect, but it also makes you more attractive to men. Men are naturally drawn to women who know what they want and are not afraid to communicate their limits. When you set and maintain boundaries, you send a clear message that you value yourself and expect others to respect you too. This quality commands respect and lets men know that they need to step it up if they want to be a part of your life. Boundaries also protect you from situations where you might otherwise compromise your values or emotional well-being. It's not about being cold or unapproachable, it's about knowing your worth and not settling for less. Men appreciate this because they understand that a woman who respects herself will respect others, and this sets the stage for a healthy, balanced relationship. Tip: to set strong boundaries, be clear about your needs and expectations early on in the relationship. If something doesn't align with your values, don't be afraid to say no. For example, if you prefer to take things slow or prioritize your personal time, communicate that openly. Strong boundaries aren't about pushing people away, they're about making sure the right people come closer, and that your relationships are built on mutual respect and understanding. Number 5. Self-acceptance. Self-acceptance is one of the most magnetic qualities a woman can possess. When you fully accept yourself, flaws and all, you radiate a confidence that's incredibly attractive to men. They don't want a woman who is constantly trying to change or perfect herself to fit someone else's ideal. Instead, they're drawn to women who are comfortable in their own skin and embrace who they are, imperfections included. The power of self-love is transformative. It not only makes you more resilient and grounded, but it also helps you project a calm, assured energy that men find irresistible. Men are drawn to women who aren't seeking validation from others but are secure in their own value. This kind of confidence can only come from within, and it's something that no one can take away from you. Tip: practice self-acceptance by focusing on your strengths and embracing your uniqueness. Instead of comparing yourself to others or trying to live up to societal standards, celebrate what makes you, you. This could be anything from your sense of humor, to your career accomplishments, or even the challenges you've overcome. When you love and accept yourself fully, it creates a magnetic energy that attracts the right kind of attention from men who appreciate you for exactly who you are. Number 6. Authenticity. Authenticity is one of the most powerful qualities you can bring to a relationship. In a world full of filters, masks, and facades, being unapologetically yourself is a breath of fresh air. Men are naturally drawn to women who don't try to fit into a mold or pretend to be someone they're not. Authenticity shows confidence, self-respect, and integrity, all qualities that are incredibly attractive. Tip: embrace your quirks, your personality, and your passions without fear of judgment. Instead of trying to impress a man by pretending to like things you don't or by downplaying your true interests, let your authentic self shine. If he's the right person for you, he will appreciate and be attracted to your true self. Authenticity isn't about being perfect, it's about being real. And that's what men want: a real connection with a real woman. Thanks for watching.